Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, make yourself comfortable. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to revamp my old braids. I've been wearing it for like a month, so I'm just going to show you how my scalp looks. You can see that I have, a very dirty scalp due to build up of that, and so I'm gonna revamp this and you're gonna so love it, so love it. Okay guys, if you're here and you've not subscribed, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell. So this is my spray bottle and I'm just gonna sprint some water on my hair, and then I'm gonna section this into 3 parts. So all I'm doing here is just to sprint some water from my spray bottle into each strand of braids. As you can see, I want the water to get everywhere so that it will be easy for my shampoo to get everywhere. So I'll be using my El-glittas natural shampoo. I apologize that the visual is not clear. I really tried. I'm so sorry. As you can see, it has settled, so I'm going to just shake it to mix everything together, and I'm going to use this applicator to apply it to my scalp and my hair. Why I'm doing this is just to cleanse my scalp from all the dirt that has accumulated, most especially at the base of my braids. I'll just get into the shower and rinse this off with water, and we are done cleansing our scalp. Let me just show you how clean my scalp looks. Can you see that? All the dirt are gone. I've rinsed the shampoo out and it's all sparkling clean. So I'm just going to use this Elan hair oil enriched with coconut oil for my scalp.
Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like.
After applying the oil, I'm just going to massage it into my scalp, making sure it gets everywhere. And I'm going to use this Miracle Leave-In conditioner. I'm going to apply this to my hair strands this way. I'm going to apply it generously to my hair. The next thing is to apply my hair oil to my hair generously also, taking note of where my hair ends. So I'm just going to apply my Elan hair cream to my hair. It gives it this shine that is so beautiful. Just look at that. Look at how it's glowing. Like my hair is glowing. Yours can be like this too if you follow through all the process. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this small elastic rubber bands. I couldn't get black, so I'm just going to manage this for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to brush my edges with this brush. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Eco styling gel to my edges. So after applying my gel, I'm just going to use this brush to brush the front of my hair, that is my edges, together this way so it won't look scattered. Then I'm going to pick the front strands and then use the rubber band to tighten it. You're going to see how it's going to look after I've used the bands. Make sure you're not pulling your hair so hard so you don't end up damaging the front of your hair.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Just look at how beautiful it looks. You can decide to do it for the whole of the strands, like including the ones at the back, but I chose to do just the front for this video.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
So at this point, I would like to mention that if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and also leave me comments. Let me know what you think about this video.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday.
You can also connect with me on social media. Please give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.